you've diagnosed that your RTD temperature probe needs to be replaced, here's how to do it. As with all troubleshooting procedures, make sure that you unplug your grill from power. With the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that are mounting your controller to the hopper. Pull your controller back away from the hopper, exposing the panel on the back side of the controller. Locate the green box in the upper corner of the control panel. This is where your RTD probe is connected. Using a 2.4 millimeter to 3 millimeter flathead screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws holding the wires into the controller. Now that the wires are loose, go into the inside of your grill, locate your RTD temperature probe on the left side of your barrel. With the Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the bolt mounting the temperature probe to your grill. Now the RTD probe is completely detached from your grill. Simply pull the RTD probe from the inside of your grill, following the wires all the way out until it's pulled from your grill. Now it's time to insert your new RTD temperature probe. Insert the wires down through the hole that the RTD came from and route it back down to the controller. Install the 2 wires into the green box in the back side of your controller. Ensure that no wires are touching any fans inside your pellet hopper. Insert the controller back into your grill and secure it with the 2 Phillips head screws. Now that you got your new RTD temperature probe installed, turn the grill on, make sure everything's working properly and you're getting a digital readout on your controller, and you should be back in Traegering. Make sure to check out all the other videos on our website, register your grill, and give us a call at 1-800-TRAEGER if you have any other questions. Traeger on.